In this video, we will learn how to appear keyboard on screen on Windows 10. So let's begin. So to turn on the on-screen keyboard on Windows 10, so sometimes your keyboard is not working properly, or in some of the cases due to some disability you can't type on the keyboard and you want an on-screen keyboard. So what you need to do is just go to your start and here type in for control panel. So here we have control panel, open it, and in the control panel click on ease of access. Now click on ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
So this is ease of access center, and here you would find many options for the people who are disabled, like who cannot see or who cannot uh, do certain tasks. So there are helping tools here. So for example, you can see start on screen keyboard.
Start on screen keyboard.
So here we have. Now you can use this keyboard as you want, like this one, and if you want to shut down this little tickling voice, just go and click on options, and here it says use click sound. Uncheck it, click on OK, and here you can see now you can use it, and here you can see the prediction, word prediction as well. So if you click on options, you can turn it off as well. So here are multiple options, you can go through that, and now you can use the on-screen keyboard as you want. So hope it has helped you in turning on the on-screen keyboard or touch screen keyboard on Windows 10. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.